Hi guys, good morning everyone. Actually, good morning to uh, every parts of the world. Well, right now it's in the evening, so but anywhere else, good morning to you all. Um, so since I've tried streaming last time, and for today, I would like to put out the analysis in this manner. So here we go. Let's start. My usuals are Euro USD, Jbp USD, and gold if you've been following my Instagram. Um, so for the first thing in the analysis, we have Euro USD. Uh, Based on the EMA or the exponential moving averages, it still has that bearish bias. But since this recent week or the past days, mm, the EMAs are bending. It means that it's losing its bearish power. It may turn to bullish once it's crossed. So we will see that in the coming days or in this coming week if it's going to cross or it's just a retrace. But for now, be careful of trading this one, especially if the bars aren't showing a strong price action. Uh, that's enough to for me to place a trade. I'm still gonna watch this out. Well, I did a trade in the previous week or just the week that just ended, and it was a buy trade only because I saw the EMAs crossed. So it kind of went up a little bit and then actually went down. But I had my stop loss ready, so it was an okay trade. Uh, for now, I'm gonna watch out for the development of the bars. Uh, Generally, it's still on the bearish bias, so uh, I'm not sure yet. I'll see this week if I'm gonna take a trade on Euro USD. So wait, let's move on to GBP USD. GBP. Wait, I'm dragging it there. GBP USD. Well, as you can see, the EMA is yellow above the blue. It means that it's bullish bias, so it's more of buy. Well, obviously, all the bars are just going up. Um, well, in the recent days, in the past days, it's also just bouncing up. The did I say bearish? I mean bullish EMAs, bullish bias. So it's going up. It's just bouncing above the bullish EMA, above the yellow line. So, well, the week ended with a bar that's far away from EMA. This one, the last bar. I'm not sure if how it's gonna finish once the few are of an opening. But anyway, it's a bar away from EMA, so it's most likely just gonna rest a bit, and then go back to the yellow EMA again, and then bounce up. Unless there's a strong price action that's gonna reveal itself, a bar that's gonna reverse it, then maybe it can break into the strongness of the bias. But as of now, it's generally just up. But well, for me, I would also, if I'm gonna trade in the Jbp USD, and I usually look for the bouncing of the bars on the EMA, not those who are already far from the EMA. So in this case, since it's already far from EMA, I'm gonna look for the H4. I'm at the D1 right now. Since the idea is it's generally bullish bias, and since the bars are already away from EMA, but still it's bullish bias, I'm gonna find an entry in the lower time frames like H4, to be able to find a wait, why is it, wait, H4, I'm clicking the H4 button to change it to the H4 time frame. um I'm gonna look for an entry in the lower time frames, since it's just about the same, but the uh, as you can see, the bars will be more often touching the EMAs. So I can enter here. If I'm gonna enter here in Jbp USD, I'm gonna look for it in the H4. But if I found something or other better looking trades, I would probably skip this. So let's move on to gold, or XAU USD. Well, I've been saying in for those who followed the Instagram, I've been pointing out, since the EMAs are showing that the yellow is below blue, it means it's bearish bias. It's a sell bias, and it's also the SMA, the simple moving average, is also showing that the bars are below the orange SMA. It means that it's really changing its long time trend of just up, so it's turning down right now. We can see that, well, the yellow is still below blue. It's still bearish bias. But I think I can see here a horizontal in just about the current price market, where the bid ask line is, which is 1783, on this line, 1783, price 1783. We have uh, we have our horizontal there. Also, if you can see this fractal, that's also where the price is kind of slowing down in its downward movement. It's kind of clustering in this price. It's not um, moving downward further. I I think that means that the horizontal, or the consolidation zone, is around there. So yeah, this bar was also like a pause, like a rest for the downward movement, and then it kind of breathed upwards, and then, you know, waved for a bit, and then, well, the retracement of gold is kind of far. It bounced from 1783 and then retrace here in 1966. So let's put prices here. Currently, gold is trying to break this horizontal. Most probably it will retrace first before it retest again. So probably I will wait for that retracement, like this part here. It bounced here and then retrace here, and it went down. So that's what I'm looking for. Uh, Bounces, retrace somewhere here, and then go back again, further down. So that's it for gold. It's, like I said, it's bearish bias. I'm gonna wait for a better looking price action where there's a better price position to trade in. So there you go.